Assalamu alaikum. So welcome to SAT practice. Today we're going to do some question about equations. So let's start with the first questions. If a is greater than 0, then we have 6. What this if I have a positive, negative, which means equal to 5b. 5b is positive, which b is positive. That means check the answer following is true. All right, so we know 6 is greater than 5 is greater than 1. And we know that a is positive if I multiply both sides by is greater than a. A is equal to 5b. So if I divide both sides here, I will have b will be equal to 6a over a. And this is a. We have b minus r equal 4 equal 8. Solve for p or q or anything else. Look at this. If we have different sign in terms here. So 2p plus 2r equal 12 divided by 2. I don't need to look for any negative. Here we have equal y minus 2, which is equal to y plus 5, and substitute to get the x. All right, so look at this. X equal y minus 2. And we have, if I multiply x equal y minus 2. Subtract x equal y minus y 0 minus minus. That's it. This question we have p exponent q plus 1. Q is 3 square. So here what I do here is I substitute and I substitute to r. So this will be 2r plus 1 over 3. Same base what I do with the exponent with a m over a n minus n. Yes, a minus n. Is that what we do here? Here it will be 3 2r plus 1 minus 2, which is 3 2r minus 1, which is the first choice. Constant v over k is 8. This is for every u and v you pick. So if u is 18 and v equal 2, so the value when v equal 4. So so this say here if u is 18, I got 8. means that I will have 16 over k equal 8. So I cross multiply 16 equal steps, which is 16 equal 8k. Then I divide by 8. So equation u minus a over 2 equal 8. Now if I have v equal 4, so I'm going to be u gonna solve for u, multiply both sides by 2, so u minus v equals 16. So I multiply this with this 4, sorry, with next question. So x equal and x equal 4z. Which of the following must be equal to 6? I got 6x equal, tells me the first is good. The second, can we have z? All right, so if I multiply this by z, and we know that all 3 add those two, I got 6x equal 3y plus, and because I cannot, so this means it will be possible. So 1 and 2 will be my choice. Okay, next question. Plus y is 10 and k is 3. So what is the average of x and average? So what I do here, I do 10, yes, equal x plus y over 2. So I have my average here. So what I do next? Divide by 3 because I'm next to the other. So my average will be x plus y over 2 equal 5 third, which is C. Here I create my average, then I have the average times 3. Then what I do next, I don't need to have any number next to my I have x over z equal to, so this as y over x plus z over w. All right, so this is the common mistake. So you look y plus y over z. You do the flip, the first terms, and if a student the result. It's like having, look, think this 2 yes equal 5. This, so I have to flip this. Sense you? Of course. Sense. So I cannot this. So which means that the first choice is not going to be my choice. If I wanna w x equal. So you see, I cannot take any chance with those terms with information. So all right, next question. We have of p plus q is 8. All right, so here I'm multiplying both sides by 100. So equal 200. Now, what is the possible value for q? So I know that p is a positive. So in order for me to get the greatest value, I need to pick the lowest for, I flip it now. I need to pick the lowest value for p. When I pick the lowest for p, which is q, my q will be 199, and this will be the greatest value you can take is t. So here we have 4, and we have x to the 4, 7 over y. So what is the value of x in terms of fifth of x that root? So just look at this. 4 from x to the 5 is 1x. So I'm multiply both sides here by x equals 7 over y x. Yes, it's x to the x. Now I multiply by y both sides. So I got 4y is x. 4x and for this it's b. I hope it's clear. So right next and last question. So here we have 2x plus y equal to the system. I organize my system, so I will add 6x both sides. So 6x plus 3 equal 9. So there is a different way to do it, but I will ratio. So let's take the ratio of the coefficient side to 2 over 6, 1 over. That's mean infinite of solution. So thus there is a limited solution, which is can be one solution. But if the first are equal, but the last are uh, which is going to teach you this. So here, this is 1/3, this is 1/3, this is 1/3. All of them are equal of solution. Multiply them, end up having 6x plus y equal 9, 6x plus y equal 0, and so is my. All right. Video, and please, if you have any comment, do so. It will help me improve my